And this is the surprise, guys. It's resting there on the tiles of the floor. Still wrapped in its plastic. But there you have it. It's a stock, well, reproduction exhaust. It's going to replace this expansion chamber thingy. I think I've already noted that I wasn't happy with that expansion chamber. In my opinion, it was too noisy. But I also found out that the damper at the back there is considerably higher than the stock solution and will be in the way of my luggage carriers. And I want to travel with this bike, you know, so I need my luggage carriers. So this exhaust, it has to go. Possibly, unfortunately, I don't know, but surely less noisy. Well, I better start working on it, don't you think? So there we have it. It's now, the expansion chamber has come off. Next I have to relocate this bar. When I have done so, I will be mounting a stock exhaust pipe. Yeah. So now the support and the bracket are hung back in their stock positions. I'm going to take the pipe out. Boys, by the way, look at my finger. This is what I got out of the first part of the exhaust pipe. This extremely wet and rich. She's been the last time that I started her up, you know. It's an all new pipe, you know, so this is only from about 1 kilometer of driving. That's okay, all. Guys, we have the exhaust on. It's where it should be. Completely back to stock. Last thing that I'm doing is putting in the transmission oil. Having done that, I am theoretically ready for a first start. Well, fingers crossed. But luckily I have now my camera on a tripod. My all new camera, by the way. So I think you all may be watching when I am trying to start her up. See you later. No introduction, I think you know what I'm going to do. Can you believe me? I'm a very happy guy.